Annyeonghaseyo! Hi everyone! So, I'm back and nandito na naman tayo sa playground kasi the kids are demanding to go out every day. So, dito na lang ako kukuha ng video. So, today I'm gonna be making what are you gonna make? We're gonna be making Jeyukbokkeum. Jeyukbokkeum is a Korean pork dish. Means Jeyukbokkeum or pig's meat. Jeyukbokkeum is pig, and then Jeyukbokkeum is pig. I'm taking a video. Jeyukbokkeum is pig, and then gogi is meat. So it's pig's meat or pork. So Jeyuk also means Jeyukbokkeum. And then Bokkeum, as we all know now, it means stir fry. Hajimahaw na. It means stir fry. Hajimahaw. I'm taking a video. It means stir fry. So it's stir fried pork. So stir-fried pork, stir-fried pork, it has a gochujang and a gochugaru base. So it's gonna be red and red and a little bit spicy. But before, yung original Jeyukbokkeum, they actually used soy sauce and salted shrimps, tiny salted shrimps, or what you call seujot. Okay, so yun yung difference ng original Jeyukbokkeum sa Jeyukbokkeum now. So Jeyukbokkeum, you usually eat this with rice, just like your other Korean barbecue meats. You can eat it with wrapped in lettuce, wrapped in pickled radish, wrapped in pickled whatever greens, and with chilies. You can actually put samjang and manel or garlic, and and some recipes have lots of sauce in it and some have it a little bit dry. For this recipe, I'm gonna be making it a little bit dry. And kasi wala akong uling sa bahay. I don't have a charcoal grill at home. So fry pan na lang yung ginamit ko. Anyway, you can add vegetables also to this. You can add whatever vegetables you have. I didn't add vegetables kasi hindi pa ako nakapamalengke. So ginamit ko na lang kung ano yung nasa ref nung time na yon. So I hope you enjoy this video and always stay safe, and don't forget to click subscribe, and thank you for always watching my videos. Enjoy! Bye!
We met, your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have